Go ahead.
This is your Weather Center forecast. We've got winds coming out of the northwest, coming down across Maine and into the Canadian Maritimes, blowing west to east. Here in Boston, we've got mild temperatures. We've got a few slight showers moving through the area. Here in the country, we see an area of low pressure out of the Pacific, moving west to east in a horizontal path. We've got a band of showers here through Kansas, down through Oklahoma, North Texas, and down into the Gulf of Mexico. As we go to the satellite northeast Doppler, we can see greater winds generating out of northern Canada, Arctic air coming southeast, blowing us. Yeah.